What's going on, everyone? We're here at location number 2, day 1. Just bought this car wash today. Got the keys literally hours ago, and we're already at work on some major projects. So what I think it's gonna take to get this wash turned around in tip-top shape. Not that it's bad, it's an operational car wash, but like you can see down here, we got lights not working on these last 2 bays, and there's just some other updates I want to make to get this thing in the same condition as my first car wash, which if you haven't seen, you can check out in my previous videos. I took that one from just an absolute dive, dump, turned it around, got some experience, and now we're at a real awesome site. I'm excited about this one. I think that has a ton of potential. This building right here behind me is a major landmark. I'm in Utah, guys. If you didn't know, that's the headquarters of the Mormon Church, and that is one of their temples. They don't spare any expense when they build those, and so there's a lot of investment going into this area. There's a quick lube next to me and some gas stations and fast food. So let me take you around for a quick tour of site number 2. All right, there's a whole list of projects here, but the most important ones first. This big old hole there was 2 changers. So American changer on the top there, a row, which I've rebuilt before, and then there was a big old column kind of in the middle there. There's the remains of that column. And here's what's going in. You recognize this guy? This was my rebuild project. And what the most important thing about this is that it has a card reader, because none of the bays, nothing on this site has a credit card reader. Day 1 of my ownership, we are getting credit card ready. What this is gonna do is distribute tokens. There's gonna be multiple selections on that to make multiple valuations of payment and get tokens, which will run through these bays. Other projects, we're already slapping on new foam brushes. Check out how, you guys need to compare this. So there's the new foam brush, there's the old one. That old one was due for a rebuild. We put a new hose on there. We've already got new guns on with guards and nozzles. So little by little, but I know what I'm doing this time around. We got a rough fit on the token machine. Then we're just gonna mud the rest of that in. Got some blocks back here to fit that. Here is the mechanical room. Behind the scenes of what you don't typically see. We got some old boilers and water heaters. This is the water softener system right there. There is a cover for all these chemicals. I just took it off because I'm looking this guy over. So that's what's going on. I do miss my Carolina Pride pump stand. That's a lot more compact, and then all the chemicals are over the top of that. But I mean, there's nothing too complicated about what's going on here either. Got a very standard reverse osmosis system, which goes into the storage tank there, that black tank. Now, the gentleman I bought this car wash from is a true patriot. We've actually talked about it before, because I flip my houses, right? And every house I flip, I hang an American flag on. Well, he gifted me these flags. There's a backstory behind this old tattered one. He gifted me those flags as a closing project. So, as well as, you know, a lot of supplies, a lot of stuff. Got a brand new air compressor. Maybe get some HD cameras in here, clearer ones. But I want to know from you guys in the comments. I mean, there's projects galore, but what needs to be prioritized? That's the question. What's the most important thing? Obviously, the customers never see what's in here. They don't care what kind of pumps I have or anything. They only see what's in the bay. So, I'll tell you, my thoughts are this. Lighting has got to be the next thing. I got to get some better lighting in here, and then work on these meter boxes right here. Make sure that we have new fresh stickers that can be read, and then just go from there. Get into vacuums. So I haven't been back here yet with you guys. Lighting on vacuums, There's a total of 6 vacuums, except for one got ripped off the thing and hasn't been replaced. So I gotta get the vacuums cleaned up, just like I've done at my other wash. I'll put new stickers on those. But what I like about these vacuums is they have the stainless steel domes. See, the vacuums I have and what you commonly see have plastic domes that get, you know, all faded and have to be replaced. They're $100 and something bucks for the plastic dome that goes on the top. But anyways, that's it. Just wanted to throw together this video for day one. Not a super in-depth video, just a quick tour, guys. I can't spend all day filming because we got projects to do, but it's fun. You can expect a lot more project videos to come based on this new car wash. Another thing, I think this is a good site to do wall panels on. Good plastic wall panels. When should that be done? Right away, after the other projects. So anyway, that's it. Stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, comment below any tips or thoughts from either a customer point of view or a operator yourself of a car wash. Anyway, check you guys later. See ya.